Welcome my friends, my name is Frank, musician photographer here in the Midwest. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a video from your TikTok profile. Alright, so let's get right into it. Alright, the first thing you want to do is you want to jump into your TikTok account, right? So you want to head to your home page. Okay, so now that you're on your home page, right, as you can see, I have several videos here. So let's say that you have one that you don't want to showcase anymore. So for example, I have this one here that's 68 views that I'm going to delete right now, and I show you exactly how that's done. Now it's going to get a bit loud, so let me turn it down once the volume goes on. So let me turn it down. Okay, so here's the video. So what you want to do is you see these three little dots right here. You're going to tap on that. Now this screen pops up and it shows you your friends and where to share to, and then the part that you want is right down here at the bottom. So what you want to do is you're going to swipe to the left on the bottom, and you see here you got the very last option is delete video, and that's basically the one you want. So let's tap on that and see what happens. So right here is at delete, question mark, cancel or delete. Now if you change your mind, you don't want to delete it, but you do want to delete it, and so you hit delete and boom, right there it's gone. So let's go back to our profile page, and now you notice that the video is gone. Alright guys, so I hope you found this useful. That's exactly how you would delete a video from TikTok. And by the way, if you want to follow me along, just go to artemorbid, artemortifica, either one of those. If you put those in, you're going to get to my profile on TikTok. TikTok is awesome to use. I think it's a great platform. It's very easy. You just have really short videos, and yeah, there's a lot of folks on this platform right now. So if you had never used it before and you want to check it out, then I suggest you get on there and have fun with it. Post your own content. You don't have to do the singing stuff if you don't want to. Just make your own, be creative, do your own type of videos on there. I think it's a great way to connect with people. If you want to promote your other platforms, if you want to promote your YouTube or Instagram, whatever it is, you can easily share it right from TikTok itself. And well, one quick tip, if you guys want to get a little bit more views on your videos, or you want to get a lot of views, try using trending music on your videos. And make something creative that people are going to engage with, to go along with the music, and I think you'll have good luck. Now for me, on my platform here, my content, it seems to be that 360, like the ones you're seeing here, the Tiny Planet little videos that I'm putting up seem to gain the most attention here. And then I just have like really short ones that are more or less just regular videos. Those seem to be doing all right, but the 360 ones, the Tiny Planet ones, seem to be the ones that are getting the most momentum. All right, guys. So yeah, visit me at TikTok, artemorbid, artemortifica. If you want more tutorials like this, let me know in the comments. Oh, by the way, do you use TikTok? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to follow you there. And all right, guys, that's it. Join me on Wednesday. I live stream here on YouTube all the time, Wednesday mornings. So join me in the chat. I'd love to hear from you. All right, guys, I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye. I see you're still here. Thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. If you like what you saw, please consider subscribing to this channel. And if you want to be notified every time I upload a new video, consider hitting that bell. Alright, I'll see you in the next one.